Hi, come on in. Welcome to my second home, room 5, my preschool Montessori classroom. And let me show you around. So we have these apples, and these are the parent file folders. Dr. Maria Montessori. Here are the cubbies, and we start from language. So this is the introduction to language, beginning sounds, and we move on. Got this book, Elemental Keys. This is our Montessori clock, all the birthdays around it. And there is our tree, metal insets. And we continue to progress in language. Now I also want to show the little change I did into our room. Bookshelf used to be by the tree before, so I opened it up so that if somebody wants to read while we are in the circle, that is totally fine. This is our beautiful circle sounds chart. And we're talking about emotions and parts of the body this month, and it's all about apples, September. And we are introducing numbers in math, and talking about math, let's go to math, but I also want to show you the birthday wall and our continents. Let's walk around this way. Do you like the new changes I made?
I love how you did it.
Alright, so this is introduction to math. It starts from 0 to 5 and then continues to 10. And this is where I keep my music, my little office, my laptop, and everything about music. With math, we continue. All the jobs are here. I have a little music corner here, so whoever wants to listen to music, I have a couple of CDs and I can show them how to listen to it. And I have my felt board. They can do tell stories using apples and apple tree. Here is my cultural shelf with all the puzzle maps of every continent, and we continue. So we have some books about our peaceful classroom. It's gonna be a fun year. I'm excited. Are you excited too?
I'm so excited for them too. So cool.
These are all about continents of the world, and there are puzzles and some animals. There is a little easel board where children could sit and draw on. Continuing to science, this is all about apples. We have parts of the apple, first of the apple, and life cycle of the apple. Here are our two fish. The red one is red velvet, and the blue betta fish is blueberry. And now let's go to our art section. So there is our art, a lot of apple art, quite self-explanatory, and then there is a control for each job. So if a child takes a job out, they know what to do. This is our little snack table. And now we're starting our sensorial section. So this is more hands-on. Those who knows Montessori, you would know how to work on these. And this is our little piece table where they can sit and have a little moment watching these, or they can also use these dress frames. And let's continue on the same subject, sensorial. I have organized everything. The worksheets are under and all the required pencils are behind. more dress frames here, and introduction to geometry. Now let's go to practical life. So over here they have woodwork. So this, you may think, why two? This is a Phillips screwdriver. This is a flat Stanley. Is that what you call it? And we're learning of parts of the apple, so the children have a visual in front of them to work on. I like children doing a little bit of exercises here. So I have a little mat and some controls where they can follow the picture, and our waterwork at the bottom. And there is a hanging job. Now this is the beginning of practical life. So first job is grasping. It's always left to right. And then there is a posting job, sorting, spooning, beading, lacing, braiding, tonguing, polishing, floor cleaning, table cleaning, flower arrangements, food prep, table setting, sushi prep, pounding salt, making cookies with Play-Doh, and teeth cleaning, napkin folding, sock sorting. So thank you for visiting our classroom. Did you like your tour?
I love the tour.
Thank you.
Have a fantastic first day of school.
And same to you. Thank you for helping me to record this. And viewers, thank you for watching. Please like this video and please watch another video and subscribe to Gloria's Platter. Thank you. Bye for now.